My name's Lizette Somer, and I will be teaching a course on Missouri Raptors. So today I have Jacob with us. She is a red-tailed hawk, and she is one of our residents at MU Raptor Rehabilitation Project. So she is an education ambassador. Her injuries prevent her from being successful in the wild. Her job is to educate others about her species. So currently she is our resident that we have had the longest. I hope they will develop their own love and interest and appreciation of these birds that we see, and that they'll be motivated to make sure that we care for them in the future and give them a appropriate habitat, keep the habitat for them to be successful. Mainly, I got a lot of my knowledge just from my interest and my love of these birds. I found out about this program on Mizzou's campus, and so I started reading, attending lectures, seminars, joining other groups that rehab raptors, and it just went from there. My natural curiosity. Everything. My problem so far in prepping for the course is to whittle down the information to keep it within the time frame that we have allotted.